Welcome to this tutorial on building a blockchain-based subscription service using Java. In today's digital age, where data integrity and security are paramount, blockchain technology offers innovative solutions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key concepts of blockchain and have a working subscription service prototype. Let's start by discussing what blockchain is. A blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that maintains a secure and immutable record of transactions across multiple computers. In our case, we will use this technology to manage subscription records. Before diving into the code, let's understand the key components we will need for our subscription service. 1. A blockchain class. This will contain methods to add new blocks and verify blockchain validity. 2. A block class. This will represent each block in the chain and contain properties such as subscription details, timestamp, and previous hash. 3. A transaction class. This will include transaction details of the subscription, including user information, subscription type, and duration. 4. A user class. This will manage user information and interactions with the subscription service. Now, let's start coding. First, let's create the block class. This class will represent a block in our blockchain. We also need a utility class for hashing. We'll create a string-util class to handle the SHA-256 hashing utilized for our blocks. Here's how it looks. Now that we have our block and string-util classes, let's add the blockchain itself. We will create a blockchain class to manage our blocks. Next, we'll implement the transaction class, which records the information about each user's subscription. Now that we have our transaction model, let's implement the user class, which will handle user data and subscription requests. We now have all the classes we need to build our blockchain subscription service. Let's wire everything together. We'll create a main driver class. With our main method in place, let's test our subscription service. If you run the program, it will create a new subscription for the user and add a block to the blockchain. You should see the output displaying the hash of the new block, along with the previous hash and the subscription data. Now, let's consider how we can improve our blockchain system further. One way is to implement consensus algorithms that can ensure the integrity and validity of the blockchain when multiple nodes are involved. Another enhancement could be implementing smart contracts to automate subscriber management. Smart contracts execute automatically when conditions are met. Let's briefly discuss some best practices when building a blockchain application. Always ensure your data is hashed properly to maintain integrity, use a secure method to handle user authentication, and consider regulations regarding data privacy. Thank you for watching this tutorial on building a blockchain-based subscription service in Java. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on programming and blockchain technology.